welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can run a one-way ANOVA test using GraphPad Prism. So once you open your Prism, on this side you can see different options for your table to be created. So for one-way ANOVA, you choose the grouped option, and in the options given here, you're going to choose how many number of replicates you have in your data set. For this purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose 3. So we're just gonna click on this option, and once you've done that, you are going to click create, and it's gonna give you this table format, which is in the grouped form. So here you're gonna first enter your group titles. So in this case I have I have control, intervention A, and intervention B in this case. And on the rows, you can enter your data set. So for this example, I have 3 replicates in one group, and this is some blood glucose data. So once you've entered your data, you can click on Analyze, and here under the column analyses, you can see different options. So here you're going to choose one-way ANOVA, and one thing you have to make sure that you've selected all 3 options. You see there is an option to uncheck on these, but you have to make sure that you've selected all your groups, and then you're just going to hit OK. And on the experimental design, you have to make sure you have all these settings, because the data I'm currently using here is only from one time point, so I don't need any matching or pairing. And I'm going to be using ANOVA, and with ANOVA tests you can also run multiple comparisons, which means that you can compare the mean of each column with the mean of every other column. So I'm going to click on that because I want to see how the results differ between each group. And what I also like to do, I go to the options and I make sure that I have the descriptive statistics for each data set on. And for multiple comparison t-tests, 2 keys test is the recommended test, so that's I'm gonna just leave it like that. And then you're just gonna click OK, and here are your results. So what you want to look at here is the p-value, and for this data set it shows to be statistically significant. And in the next window you can see the results of your multiple comparison test, which will show the comparison between each column, and you can see that all of them are significant in this group, in this data set. And in the descriptive statistics, you can see their mean and also standard deviation and standard error of mean. And once you've checked your result, you want to represent in the form of a graph. So once you click on the graph, so what I like to do for grouped, I click on summary data, and I like to show my data with mean and showing the standard error mean. And now you're just gonna make it look the way you want it to be looked, because everybody has their own preferences, but this is how I like my graph to be. And another option, since we did multiple comparison tests, we want to show them on the graph as well. So option, you can click on this bar here to show the pairwise comparison. Once you click on that, you can visualize all the multiple comparisons that you performed, and that is how you perform your one-way ANOVA using GraphPad Prism. Thank you very much for watching.